Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the HP Keyboard 100. So as you can see, this is how it comes. It's got LED indicators in it. It is USB powered, so this is not a wireless keyboard. It is got a wire, as you can see. It has 12 function keys, 3 hotkeys, and it has an adjustable height. Okay, and what else have we got? So it's a wired keyboard. It features a full range of 107 keys, including 12 function keys and 3 hotkeys. Natural contours and shape allow the keyboard to sit in a comfortable position for your wrist and hands. Connection is a breeze with USB connectivity, so you can get up and running fast. A durable design that holds up the demands of everyday computing. Okay, find a comfortable position with easy to use height adjustment, and it has your standard warranty. Okay, so let's just go ahead and unbox this. Now once you do that, it opens up like that, and apart from the keyboard you get some documents that come along with this. That's the keyboard itself. Take it out, comes in a plastic wrap. Okay, just open that up and take out the keyboard for you guys. So there you have it. That is the keyboard. As you can see, it's fairly slim. It has, this is what they mean when they say adjustable height at the back. It has these sort of little rubber feet to give it some height, and there's a wire. The cable itself looks pretty sturdy, and these are the 12 function keys that they were saying. So there you are. So that was the unboxing of the HP Keyboard 100. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.